Hello, my dear subscribers and viewers. Welcome to HR Resonance channel. Thank you very much for viewing my various videos on innumerable topic. Now, this COVID, you are all aware, it has affected and hit many. Particularly, many of the industrial employees and workers, they lost their loved ones and they are also affected. So, in this connection, what are all the benefits available for them? Particularly the ESI and Provident Fund Department, they came to their rescue and they devised various schemes and benefits to such affected COVID hit persons. So today my video on this topic is under the ESI and Provident Fund COVID hit persons, what are all the benefits available? I request all of you to view these videos from the beginning to the end and make use of it. You can see all this further information in my subsequent slides.
ESI and Provident Fund relief schemes for COVID hit members. Well, dear friends, as I said, Government of India and these two corporations of PF and ESI, they provided and they came to the rescue of COVID hit members by helping and extending their hand. ESI Corporation notified a scheme for the dependents of ESI insured persons in case of death due to COVID-19 and would give a minimum of rupees 1,800 a month. On August 11th, 2021, notified the scheme and you can view this notification in the detail in their website. And in order to provide help and succor to the families of the insured persons, that is what we call insured persons, who died due to COVID-19, ESI Corporation has launched ESI COVID-19 Relief Scheme. This is the name of the scheme. Under this scheme, 90% of average wage of deceased insured person shall be paid to the eligible dependents of the insured person who died due to COVID-19. This is what important. And the spouse, the son up to years of son up to the age of 25 years, unmarried daughter and widowed mother of the insured would be also eligible for this relief. You are all aware, during the second wave, many families lost their loved ones. The scheme is effective for 2 years with effect from March 24, 2020 and would provide for 90% of the average daily wages of the insured to be paid to the dependents. Further, one more advantage is even COVID-19 cured person, if death due to any COVID reasons within 30 days, also covered in this scheme. This is the greatest advantage, my dear friends, which you must note. And this COVID has affected very many. This we have already heard, and many of you might have experienced. And what are the benefit? What are the scheme, and what are all the eligibility criteria? Let us see. As per the eligibility conditions for relief, the insured person who died due to COVID-19 disease, number one, must have been registered on the ESI online portal at least 3 months prior to the date of diagnosis of COVID-19 disease resulting in his or her death. And further, the deceased IP must have been in employment on the date of diagnosis of COVID-19 disease. Further, and his contributions for at least 70 days should have been paid or payable in respect of him or her during the period of maximum 1 year immediately preceding the diagnosis of COVID-19 disease resulting in the death. And the spouse of the deceased insured person shall also be eligible for medical care or depositing rupees 120 every year. My dear friends, this is a really glaring advantage for ESI members in my experience and knowledge, many are not aware. This you please educate and bring to the notice of the many. And in case of death of insured person, rupees 15,000 is payable as funeral benefit for the expenses. This is called funeral benefit. And due to disease, if the wage is stopped, 70% of his average wage is payable to the insured person. I hope most of you are all aware. For any claim under the ESI under the scheme, I request you to visit the nearest ESI office and have the details in your required language. And if you need for more and more details, you can visit their website www.esi.nice.in, or you can use the toll-free number 1800-112526. Well, friends, these are all the various benefits available under the ESI. That is why I always call it as ESI, a need indeed. So one must make really use of it. We must really salute the scheme, which is the biggest scheme in the world. That is what it is called. Now, having seen the benefits available under the ESI for the rescue of COVID affected, Provident Fund has also come out with certain benefits. By this time, many of you are all aware. However, for the benefit of those who don't know, and for the sharing the knowledge, I am explaining you the PF benefits under the COVID affected personnel. PF Act 1952 envisages benefits such as maintaining of EF accumulations with interest, employees pension scheme, and EDLI, what we call employees deposit linked insurance. In order to provide a benefit to the dependents of workers who died during the period, the scheme of EDLI was amended, providing for minimum assurance benefit of rupees 2.5 lakh to eligible family members of deceased employees. In addition, the maximum insurance amount under EDLI scheme 1976 has been enhanced from rupees 6 lakhs to 7 lakh, which is a maximum. This is the one of the greatest advantage and benefit under the PF members, which one must be aware. And for that, we should really, appreciate this PF scheme. Further, EPF scheme 52, it was amended in March 2020 by inserting the provision for allowing non-refundable advance to EPF members during pandemic or epidemic period. This provision allowed EPF members to avail advance from their EPF account to the extent of 75% of their balance or 3 months' wages, whichever is less. Okay, this is one of the advantage. The EPF members who have already availed the first COVID-19 advance, they can also opt for a second advance. As on July 15, 2021, the claims or the number of claims settled under the second COVID-19 advance facility is 4,62,860 numbers. This is what the departmental figure. My dear friends, during this crisis time of COVID and epidemic period, many of our industrial employees and workers, their dependents, may be not aware about this subject. Even if they are aware, they may be not knowing fully the eligibility criteria, etc., etc. That way, I made an humble effort in bringing out to the notice of required the information and the benefits available under ESI and PF. So I earnestly appeal all of you to please circulate, share this video to the maximum number, make it viral, let the message reach to all the nook and the corners of the required, and let the affected people get benefit, and let us join our hands in mitigating their problem and also making utilization of this available scheme devised by respective departments and also Government of India. Well, dear friends, I am thankful for viewing this video from beginning to the end very patiently, and also the same video wait, and you can see in Kannada language also by couple of days. Thank you very much for viewing my video, and wait for my further useful videos on innumerable topics. And if you are liking all these topics and the contents, please like, post your comments in the comment box, and share, and also don't forget to become subscriber. Well, my dear friends, thank you very much. Good day. All the